Reactivate his account.
Reactivate his account.
Deactivate his account. Jawar Mohammed is a divider. Jawar Mohammed is a divider. Jawar Mohammed is a divider. Ban Jawar Mohammed. Ban Jawar Mohammed. Facebook. Ban Jawar Mohammed. Ban Jawar Mohammed. Facebook is not for terrorists. Facebook is not for terrorists. Facebook is not for dividers. Facebook is not for dividers. Jawar Mohammed is a divider. Jawar Mohammed is a terrorist. Facebook. Ban Jawar Mohammed. Ban Jawar Mohammed.